if you're signing a 5-year contract, what's your 5-year outlook? What are going to be your new product launches? What are going to be your new business opportunities? What's happening in the industry? Or do you plan on having supplier changes? Where are you looking to simplify your margins? Where are you looking to streamline all of your suppliers? And what might they do that's going to impact your customers and your products and your offerings? And of course, we know, especially in the world of AI, just the way AI has taken over so much, technology updates, legal updates, privacy has come into play in different ways. And we've all had to navigate and pivot to play this dance with these things. So while we cannot foresee all of it, we can have an idea the direction we're planning and building to go. And knowing this already for yourself, you can build this into your contract so that your customers are now obligated to have the right conversations and triggers with you. And you are set up for your next success with them, as well as with your suppliers. And a story that happened with one of my clients is they were a big supplier for a company that had a good amount. They took a chunk of the industry. So it's kind of nice, right? They're like, we will be your primary and main supplier for this chunk of the industry. And we, by the way, of course, get some of our stuff from our supplier, client, and their customer. Well, two things happened. These guys had somebody come in as a customer saying, hey, we actually can give you 10 times the amount of business these guys do. And we'll do it exclusively with you. We'll sign exclusivity, meaning we're not going to go anywhere else. Guaranteed business, 10 times more in this industry. But here's the thing. We've got to be your exclusive provider in the market. Hey, well, these guys over here who were pre-existing, they didn't know about this. But my client has an amazing business opportunity. Amazing, right? 10 times. But guess what? They're in a contract. They're in a contract over here with these guys. And that contract gave my client two choices. One, you can terminate with enough notice on certain anniversaries. So my client could wait for those anniversaries and give that notice. Bam, automatically out. Or there was a pivot term. And a pivot term means something that is, if it's triggered right, you can pivot and shift. And what my client did is they realized there was a pivot term in there that said if things change with their supplier, they were allowed to pivot.